Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Time for another unboxing today. We just got this fresh from House of Cars H case. So we're going to dive into this, go through all of the case here, and maybe we will score a treasure hunt or a super. So stick with us. Is the top. So let's start it off, guys. The first three. So we've got a new twin tags. So supposedly you can put this on your luggage. It shows you there on the back. Special feature. So that's kind of cool. Throw it on your luggage. And this one, guys, I think this one is new for H case. The tuned Golf. I like it in that color. It's looking pretty good. Not too bad of a tuned little car there. And I really dig this color scheme on this 635. I think they had it in black and orange so far, but that white with the BMW colors, it's probably my favorite so far of the colors on this guy. Oh, look at that. Starting off strong, guys. We got the Mach E in white, but we have the treasure hunt of this case. So the total disposal is the treasure for H case. So we scored the treasure. So that's a good start. Now if we can just find the super on the bottom side, which is the Lotus Elise for the H case, guys. So let's cross our fingers that there's a Lotus Elise on the bottom. And then this came out in the last case, the F-150 Lightning Super Truck. Ooh, we've got a new Comet Cyclone, the Mercury Comet gasser there. I think they've had this in a couple other colors. It might have been a Super at some point last year, possibly. But I do dig it in the red. Looks pretty good. The blower sticking out of the hood there. And a new color on the Lincoln Continental. Look at that orange. I really like this casting. The white and black are my preferred colors, but they have done it in Matchbox as well. This, I'm not sure if this is the first time I've seen it in Hot Wheels. I know they've done it before, but it doesn't look too bad in that orange color. I like it. We've got a Mazda AutoZam monster truck there. Ooh, what do we got? The 70 Challenger. That was from last case, but man, that looks good in black. Super good color scheme there. This might be a new one for H case, the Mach Speeder, at least in that color. And this was last case as well, that Dino, Ferrari Dino in that perfect red color. Really like that one. New for the H case, I believe. That 2020 GR Supra in a nice silver color. Digging that one. Roller Toaster, that's an oldie. Already came out this year. Maybe pinks. Maybe it's new to the pink color, not sure. Guys, check this out. That Porsche, the Carrera T in black. I love the chalk one because I have a chalk Porsche, but you know, can't go wrong with black. That is a highlight of this case for me, for sure. And I've always liked the purple passions, guys. I like all the different colored variations they come out with, but that is just on point. The purple passion in purple. I believe this is new for H case, guys. The Cadillac Celestiq EV. It's kind of an odd looking car. Very long and a weird hatchback thing going on. Not too sure about this car. And Again, really dig that color scheme on the Impala that came out in last case. That Beast of Turon car again. That's a carryover from the last case as well. And the Honda Odyssey, guys. It's a cool little casting there with the livery. I like it. Purple Batmobile. Some more fantasies here. The Track Ripper. And a Super Twin Mill. And this is a pretty sweet tuned one, guys. The Purple Passion in the tune variation. I think that's an awesome casting. Maybe even better than the full size. It's just really cool looking. More fantasies. 3-pack of fantasies looks like here. X-Steam. And a Gone Mad. They had this in pink, I believe, already. Different color for sure. And then a Hightail Chaser in a different color here. Ooh, we got a red Mini Cooper. The OG Mini Cooper. That's, I believe, what do they don't tell you what year. I think this is 1964, though. And it's just somewhere in the 60s for this model. But yeah, looking good in the red. And I really like this Willys, guys. Flat paint, purple with the pinstripes. Scorcher. That's just a cool casting. They did a good job on that one. And another tuned Purple Passion. A couple of those. Nice. What do we got? The El Segundo Rally. I think that's new for H case, at least in that color scheme. And this one, I was excited to get this one, guys, because they've had the 928 Porsche in a couple of different colors, but that looks really good in this color scheme. The black and had some graphics there on the side. Very cool. Ooh, another color variation for the RS6 Avant. It's kind of a silverish champagne color, I guess. Not quite silver, but I guess we could call it champagne. Oh, look at that one, guys. There it is, the black SF90. Awesome. Look at the red line around the wheels. The Ferrari logo there. I think we better just crack this one open and look at it a little closer, guys. Oh, look at that. Looks good in black. Might give the red a run for its money, man. Thought red was the best, but it's looking really good with that combination of red lined wheels there and the red interior. Let me know, guys, what you think. Are you going red Ferrari or this black one? Another 59 Chevy Impala there. And a Mailed It. The giant turbo sticking out the hood. All right, guys, we're on to the bottom already. Don't know if there's going to be any super action in there. I don't think there's going to be, just by me glancing at it here, but we're going to go through them anyways. New color variation on the Zonda tuned. Looks pretty good in orange. New 69 Chevelle. They don't call this a tuned one. It's like kind of in between. It's not quite tuned, but it is kind of short and stubby. And a Batmobile. Throwing the Mario Kart back in the mix. They've had this in before. Last year, year before. Another F-150. And I think this might be new for H-Case, guys. This Mercedes-Benz CLA with a crazy livery. Very bright pink and blue. Got the Mercedes-Benz logo there on the wing. I don't know if you can see it there. Yeah, it's different. Others on the... And this one might be new for H-Case. The Datsun 620 in orange pickup truck. That looks pretty good. I like it. And a new Eurasian Express variation, black and gold. Another Celestique. And another white Mach-E. Two Challengers. We got two black Challengers, guys. We'll take it. Another Supra. This was from last case, the 55 Nomad. Kind of a flat black with some cool pinstripes and graphics. The white wheels. It's a cool casting. Another 635. And another CLA. And this is new for the H-Case, a 70 Ford Escort RS 1600, and in this color at least. I just don't ever get it when they do cars in brown. Not against, I don't know. I just can't get into it, guys. Brown cars, let me know what you think. I would never drive one, never would buy one. Don't like them in Hot Wheels. Scorcher. Doubling up on the brown Escort. Ooh, doubling up on the Carrera T. We'll take that one. So 2 Carrera T's for this case. I like it. New color on the Monster High Ghoul Mobile. And another Mario Kart. A quick chat. The black color scheme there. And this is new, at least this color for the H-Case. They've had it in purple. And what was the other color? Can't think of it off the top of my head. I think they had it in another color too. But not too bad in the blue. The Buzz Bomb Mobile. Some more Fantasies. Hightail Chaser. The Rally. And La Libre in white this time. They had it in black earlier this year. Man, that's our 3rd Batmobile. And another Honda Odyssey. And this is the newest addition for the single F1 cars. The Kick Sauber F1 team, which is no longer. So this team for 2026 is now the Audi F1 team, which if you don't follow F1, you should check it out. The new Audi scheme on these cars is pretty cool, so we'll probably see that one next year. Oh, bummer, guys. I see some orange there. There's head gasket. But this was supposed to be a Super, guys, but this is just the mainline version. So it's more of a darker orange for the Super. And the last case Super mainline here, the Custom Auto. And rounding out the case, guys, a Desert Drifter in orange. What's up in a different color there. And another quick chat. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this quick H-Case unboxing. Here are my picks for my favorites out of the H-Case. You'll have to let me know what your favorites are. But, yeah, some decent stuff. That orange Lincoln's looking pretty good. I'm really digging that 928 and the Carrera T, guys. Super cool. And I love that tuned Purple Passion. Looking good. And of course, the SF90 in black. So yeah, some decent stuff in H-Case, guys. Thanks again for tuning in. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Have a good one.